Let's start by first defining what we understand by digital technology. In short, digital technology is any technology that digitizes something or processes digital data. It refers to information technology, or IT, and the parts of operational technology, or OT, that have been digitized. In a similar fashion, digitation is the process of transforming something, for example text, sound, or images, from analog to digital form by expressing the information in binary digits. It represents the digital technology structure made up of both IT and OT. IT provides users with data and information, whereas OT detects or implements changes in physical devices. Information technology is simply the application of digital technology to store, retrieve, transmit, and manipulate data, often in the context of a business or another kind of organization. Operational technology is the application of digital technology for detecting or causing changes in physical devices through monitoring or control. OT differs from IT in that it uses digitized data as an internal means to a physical goal, rather than to make information available to users.